today as a reporter for BuzzFeed Unsolved TM. I'm Madison. You're BuzzFeed Unsolved TM. We are BuzzFeed.
We are BuzzFeed.
We are BuzzFeed Unsolved TM, and we will be investigating Dallas Center Crimes Middle School in the haunted bathroom.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. My name is Madisonio Stonio, and this is my partner, Bryn.
Hi. Who's that here?
Theory number 1, depression. Theory number 2. Oh my god, it's an alpaca!
The ghost. The ghost has attacked.
Quack! Hi Dad, I'm hungry.
Hi, hungry. I'm starving. You done messed up, girl. 11-11. Him. I regret everything.
Oh my god!
Baller. Attack. You got a crush?
No. Oh no.
I win. Tweedle Blake. Mary Chrysler.